Well, welcome back everybody to Bear's Rod Shop. This is August the 5th, and spent a little bit this morning running around chasing a few more parts for the Jubilee. Most of the guys out there are always explaining on these old 8 ends, 9 ends that have this new felt piece on the dust cover that is always a problem. And it is. Literally, it's a pain in the butt. They give you much more thickness of felt. You get it all clean, 100%. And nowhere in any of the books, I would have thought this was glued in, but you actually crimp. And to do that, you take a pair of horseshoe plier pulling nails, and you simply go around about every inch or so, put a light crimp. It holds it in once you're seated. But then, let's see if we can put the camera down here on the hub. Everybody can see that all right. When you go to put it in, you fight the extra thickness. Now this is a Bendix original dust cover. Some people call them backer plates, but it's a dust cover. And of course, this one had to get modified. We did fix, and instead of putting in the hole, we have put a piece of galvanized 18 gauge plate. He'll remove 2 screws, and then the adjuster can really be gotten to. Yes, it's a little larger hole because I had to cut that adjuster out to get the brake shoes that were welded from rust to the drum. All right, the reason for this short video is this felt. I went out and here on the bench, I tightly put it in. I mean, literally worked for probably 45 minutes. We got it all in. Took it out to the housing and bolted it with 2 bolts. Took the sleever bar, and I had 2 studs sticking out the front with a couple of nuts, and turn the drum trying to wear it in, and finally it popped off. Second time, I'm not putting up with this. So my fix for this is not only do we do custom upholstery, this is just like jute that you would get that goes under the carpet. Not hardly any difference. This is all man-made, and it sands real well. So here, 36 grit, and you take this on your flat surface. Let's see if we can show you. It's already been done. Fits like a champ now. It's not over tight and it's not loose. But you would literally come in here with your NAA air sander, and you would run a bevel on one side, and then come on the opposite side, barely, and you would leave a good 1/8 to 3/16 max. Let's get this where you can see. Max sticking out. And then when we put this in, we have a nice, comfortable fit, and turns great. It's tight. It's gonna be broke in some more. But I'm not fighting these ever again. May not be another tractor. But I even had the drum taken down because my lathe was a little small, to a shop here locally. And we cleaned this edge all up. We cleaned the drum up. It's still could use a really nice brand new drum. It's been abused. But anyhow, if that helps you guys, send me your comments and stuff, because that belt will drive one to where he wants to just stop for the day, walk away for an hour or so, come back. But it works like a champ, and that felt is not coming out of there. So we'll do the same whenever it gets over to the new owner, and we do the left side of that Jubilee. And please send comments, thumbs up, subscribe, share. If this has helped anybody out there, I'm glad to show this little short video. 4 or 5 minutes long. Sometimes you can get more out of them than a 10-minute video or an hour-long video. But I do like to try to show things that you know, we come across that are practical and they work. So please, again, all my subscribers, new and old, please continue to see us. Pretty soon, I was going to hope to have that Jubilee all buttoned up this morning, and like one bolt and a few things, and then this issue with the felt actually stopped us today for a little while. So we're going to work late, try to get it out of here and get on with the other projects, the Corvette and the CJ5 and the Dodge trucks, etc. Hope y'all like our videos. Yes, I'll wash these thumbs one day, but we're mechanics. We don't have to wash up till we go in, and the wife will let us back in the kitchen. But well, at least I got a sink out here, and so I better wash up before I go in tonight. Cheers, come back and visit.